Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can remove members from your groups on Google Groups. So let us get started. Head over to your group list or overview here on Google Groups. Left click into the given group, and as the admin guys, you have the permission to manage your group member list and to, for example, ban, mute or remove users. To do that, navigate to members here on the left hand side. Go through the list here of your group members. That example group features only one member, which is me, for the sake of this tutorial. So what you want to do, guys, is select the given user by clicking into that checkbox here. And then you will see these options here in the top right: remove member, ban member, just as I mentioned. So click into remove member, confirm by clicking into this button. Now I'm not going to remove myself, but that's how you remove members from your groups if you're the admin or owner or have admin rights. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.